Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the day 1 outlook. We have two areas where we have a slight risk for severe weather today. One slight risk today encompasses far southeastern Kansas, far northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, and north central Arkansas. Another slight risk today encompasses east central North Carolina. Cities in today's slight risk areas today include Greenville, North Carolina, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Joplin, Missouri, Rogers, Arkansas, and Bentonville, Arkansas. And we have five areas where we have a marginal today. One marginal covers parts of central Nebraska, central Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, parts of Missouri, northern Arkansas, and west central Tennessee. A second marginal today covers south central Texas. The third marginal today covers far southeastern Alabama, southern Georgia, northern Florida, and the Florida Panhandle. The fourth marginal today covers southeastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina. And the fifth marginal today covers east central Ohio, western Pennsylvania, a small part of the Panhandle of Maryland, and parts of West Virginia. Cities in today's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Wichita, Kansas, and Raleigh, North Carolina. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central North Carolina. Cities in today's 5% tornado risk area today include New Bern, North Carolina, and Washington, North Carolina. And there are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses eastern North Carolina and a tiny bit of southern Virginia. And the second 2% area for tornadoes today cover east central Ohio, far southwestern Pennsylvania, and far north central West Virginia. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Greenville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, North Carolina, Rocky Mount, North Carolina, Wilson, North Carolina, and Goldsboro, North Carolina. Going to today's wind threat, there are five areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering central North Carolina, central Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, northern Arkansas, and extreme southwestern Tennessee. A second 5% wind risk area today include south central Texas. The third 5% wind risk area today encompasses extreme southeastern Alabama, southern Georgia, the Florida Panhandle, and northern Florida. The fourth 5% wind risk area today encompasses southeastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina. And the fifth 5% wind risk area today encompasses east central Ohio, western Pennsylvania, parts of West Virginia, and a tiny part of the Panhandle of Maryland. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Wichita, Kansas, and Raleigh, North Carolina. And going to the hail threat, there are two areas where we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger today. One covering extreme southeastern Kansas, extreme northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, and north central Arkansas. And the other 15% hail risk area today encompasses east central North Carolina. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Greenville, North Carolina, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Joplin, Missouri, Rogers, Arkansas, and Bentonville, Arkansas. And there are five areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger today. Don't make this update on me. There are 5 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger today. One covering far south central Texas, a second one covering southeastern Kansas, parts of northeast Oklahoma, parts of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, and west central Tennessee. The third 5% hail risk area today encompasses southern Georgia, parts of the Florida Panhandle, and northern Florida. The fourth 5% area for hail today covers southeastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina. And the fifth 5% hail risk area today encompasses east central Ohio, western Pennsylvania, parts of West Virginia, and a small part of the Maryland Panhandle. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So, in summary, the most likely corridors for severe storms are across parts of far eastern North Carolina this afternoon and the Ozarks into the Mid-South this evening. So, that's the day one outlook. That's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginals, because marginals can get, some pretty strong storms. So, stay safe today and have a way to be notified for severe weather, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And I will have my Day 2 outlook later. My Day 2 outlook will come out later. It will come out sometime this afternoon after the Storm Prediction Center updates it this afternoon. Take care.